Every time you open Google Maps, every time your car says turn left in 500 feet, you're using a system built on the mind of a woman the world ignored for over 50 years. She calculated the shape of the Earth by hand. She mapped the orbits of satellites before computers could do it. She laid the foundation for GPS, the technology that now guides billions. But when she died, almost no one knew her name. This is the story of Gladys West, the woman who invented GPS and was erased. Gladys West was born in 1930 in rural Virginia, in the heart of the segregated American South. Her parents were sharecroppers. Every day they bent over cotton fields under the burning sun. But Gladys had a different dream. I knew I didn't want to work in the fields, she once said. I wanted to use my mind. She studied relentlessly. Top of her class, earned a scholarship to college, one of the few black women in mathematics at the time. And in 1956, she walked through the gates of the U.S. Naval Proving Ground as one of only 4 black employees and the second black woman ever hired. Her job? To calculate missile trajectories? By hand. No Excel, no Python, just paper, pencil, and a mind that saw patterns no one else could. Within years, she was programming some of the earliest computers, machines that filled entire rooms. She wrote algorithms to model the Earth's surface with impossible precision. Why? Because satellites don't orbit a perfect sphere. The Earth bulges. It wobbles. It's uneven. And if you don't account for that, GPS will be off by miles. Gladys West spent decades refining a mathematical model so accurate it became the backbone of the global positioning system. But her name? Nowhere. The military classified her work. The engineers who built GPS cited government data. Never her. While men receive awards, patents, and fame, Gladys retired quietly in 1998. She moved to a small house in Virginia. She taught Sunday school. She gardened. For 20 more years, the world used her life's work and never said thank you. Then, in 2018, a student stumbled upon her name in an old alumni newsletter. A journalist dug deeper. A story went viral. At 87 years old, Gladys West was finally invited to the U.S. Air Force Hall of Fame. I'm glad they found me, she said softly, but I did it because it needed to be done, not for fame. Today, GPS guides planes, ships, ambulances, and lovers meeting for the first time. But how many more like Gladys are still out there? The quiet geniuses, the unseen hands, the women, the minorities, the humble minds who changed everything and asked for nothing. If this story moved you, share it, because history forgets too easily, but we don't have to.